Measure twice and plan your layout before you touch a single tile so you avoid costly cuts and uneven lines. Start by calculating the square footage carefully and add 10% for waste. Then sketch a layout that centers on the most visible wall or entry point and dry lay tiles along your planned grid to confirm spacing and symmetry. Use a good quality cementitious thinset recommended for your tile type and floor substrate, and mix only the amount you can use within the pot life specified by the manufacturer so it does not skin over before you set tiles. Select a notched trowel size that matches the tile back and press each tile with a slight twisting action to achieve a full butter coat and transfer of thinset. Then check for coverage by randomly lifting a tile during the install to confirm at least 80% contact for interior floors and 100% for large format or stone. Maintain consistent grout joint widths with spacers and use a level and straight edge frequently to catch lippage early, adjusting tiles before the thinset firms. Allow the thinset to cure for the time the manufacturer specifies before grouting, and then follow grout curing recommendations before returning traffic to the room. For sealing natural stone or porous tiles, apply an appropriate impregnating sealer after grouting and curing, and always follow manufacturer technical data sheets for temperature and humidity limits during installation. The three mistakes I see most are poor measurement and planning, using the wrong adhesive or trowel, and rushing the curing process. When measurements are off, you end up with awkward slivers at the perimeter, so double-check dimensions, dry lay tiles, and adjust your starting point to get balanced cuts at walls. Choosing an incorrect adhesive or trowel causes insufficient bond and eventual tile loosening, so match the adhesive to the substrate and tile type and use the trowel notch size the manufacturer recommends. Rushing cure times leads to grout failure and tile movement, so respect the specified wait times, keep foot traffic out, and control temperature and humidity while materials set. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors access to homeowners looking for tile work, so we make finding help more straightforward. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have completed similar bathroom tile projects.